Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you struggling with Bluetooth issue on your Windows 11 device? Don't worry. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working step by step. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly identify the common Bluetooth issues you might be facing. Bluetooth device not showing up, unable to connect to pairing devices, Bluetooth option missing from settings. If any of those sound familiar, follow along, we should troubleshoot. Step 1. Let's start with the basic. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Click the Start menu and go to Setting. Then Bluetooth and Devices. Toggle the Bluetooth switch to on. If Bluetooth is already on, try turning it off and back on. Step 2. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity issues. Restart your computer and check if the problem persists. Step 3. Outdated driver can cause the problem. Press Windows plus X. Select Device Manager. Find Bluetooth in the list and expand it. Right-click your Bluetooth device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Once updated, restart your computer and test Bluetooth again. Step 4. Use the built-in Bluetooth Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Find Bluetooth. Click Run. Windows will attempt to identify and fix issues automatically. Step 5. Ensure Bluetooth services are running. Press Windows plus R, type service.msc and hit enter. Look for Bluetooth support service. Right click and select Restart. Set the startup type to automatic if it's not already. If the issue persists, try those additional fixes. Remove and repair your Bluetooth devices. Update Windows 11 to the latest version. Check for hardware issue, if not, the above work. And that's it. This step should help you fix any Bluetooth issues on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with others. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or there are topics you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.